everyone. So proc data, I will write a syntax. Proc data is equal data set name. Out is equal to new data set name. Then will be use the options by analysis variable only. So whatever variable we are using under by statement, those variables are called analysis variables here. Okay, analysis variables. Now I will go for which one? Data. My data set name is a AP. Here input, ID, age, salary is there. Cards. I will go for simple example. You can add more and more columns and more and rows also, your wish, while practicing. 22, then 22,000, then 103, 25, then
Hello.
20. Yes, please.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
What about others here? 1,000, 105, then 25, 25,000, then 104, 26, then 26,000. You can see here, this is my data set. When I am submitting this form, proc print data is equal to UP, then run it. When I am submitting this one, you can see the 3 variables and 5 observation we have printed here. You can see here, concentrate on one ID column. My ID values are not properly sorted. 101, 103, again 102, 105, 104 is there. Now I want to go for sorting. That purpose will be used the proc sort procedure. How to use means proc sort data is equal to, what is my data set name? AP. Then out is equal to AP underscore sort only by. So what is our column name? ID. Then run it. Proc print data is equal. What is our new data set name? AP underscore sort. Please use that one. Then run it only. Okay. Now when I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. See this here. 101, 102, 103 and 104, 105. So we have printed successfully. Which one? Our values only, whatever values. For example, here I will add the sex column also. Sex is a male, one is a male, again male only. Here female is there. Next one is a male is there. Next one is a female is there. Next one is a male is there. Now in my AP dataset, you can see the male and female category is there. Values, ID values are not properly sorted. Now I want to go for sort. When I submit it, we can see our values are properly sorted only. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. You can see here, this is values only. Now by default you can see 101 to 105. This is ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but first one is the lowest value, last one is the highest value. Now I need reverse order. Reverse order means descending order. Then we can use by. Your option is a descending the option, descending. So just write it descending here. So our option name is a descending. Please write it. So when I am submitting this one, by default we can see the first one is a 105, second one is a 104, like that only. You can see this is a highest to lowest only, from 105 to 101 only. We can display like this. Here, anybody, any doubt, please let me know. Yeah, as of now, clear means. So go for this proc print data is equal SAS help dot class only. Then run it. SAS help is a one library. If you go to Explorer window, open libraries, and you can see the SAS help library. You can see the class is a one data set. This is when I open my class data set. You can see the 5 variables and 19 observations are there. Now I want to go for sort. When I printed this proc print data is equal SAS help dot class, you can see the 5 variables and 19 observations. Okay, 5 variables and 19 observations here. Now here concentrate on sex only or age only, your wish. I will go for sex only. Sex is MUF is there. I want to go for sorting. When we go for sorting for alphabetic, because sex is a character variable, by default we can display the data either ascending or descending alphabetic wise only. If you go for alphabetic wise, First one is a female category. F is a first letter M, right? I mean alphabetic wise first letter is a F only. Next letter is a M only. Now I want to go for sex wise my data. Then proc sort data is equal sample self class out is equal class underscore sort by sex here. Then run it. Now I am printing proc print data is equal class underscore sort and then run it on. So this is now please submit this one. When I submit it, you can see in your output window concentrate on sex values only. Here female totally 9 records, next male totally 10 records. So we have printed totally 19 records, but concentrate on sex values female category first, next one is a male category. We have printed sorting ascending order. Now go for age only. When my F values concentrate on only F category, concentrate on age only. There is here 13, 14, 12, 15, 11. There is no proper order, even age also. Now I want to go for sorting sex wise and age wise. Can I use 2 columns at a time? Yes, we can use 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. There is no limit. By sex space age only, which means we can display our data sex and age wise ascending order. By default ascending order here. So when I go for this one, female, next one is a male only. Concentrate in female category age values also. First one is 11, next to 12, next to 13, 14, 15. So you can see the 11 to 15 ascending order we have printed. Next to female 11 to 16 only. This is also ascending order we have printed. Now I need one is a ascending, other one is a descending. Is that possible? For example, sex is a descending only by descending. Okay, so here anybody need a descending. Now by descending sex only, space age, then age value by default you can display the ascending order. Sex value by default you can see the descending order. Descending means first one is a male category, second one is a female category. Okay, now you can see sex values is a male category, last one is a female category. But age value you can see the ascending order 11 to 16, here also 11 to 15 only. Okay, this is for we can use 2 columns. One column is a descending, other column is a ascending. Otherwise we can use 3 columns also. There is no limit here, but based on that requirement we have to use our variables in the by statement only. So this is ascending or descending. Yeah, anybody any doubt just let me know. Next I will go for options. What are the options are there and how to use those options will be discussed one by one only as of now. Okay, no doubts means I will go for next one. So here I am removing ID descending option. Anybody just let me know. Here 101 I have copied and I have pasted again. Fine. Here 102 also I have copied and I have pasted again. Now when I am submitting this one, you can see here now I have submitted. So here totally 7 records are there, 7 records here. But out of 7 records, when I need sorting only. Then again please submit this sorting procedure. When I submitted, you can see the 101, 2 times. 102 also 2 times. Now here 101, 22,000 M repeated second time also. Same as 102, 22,000 repeated one more time. So here 101 2 times. One is a duplicated record, one is a unique record. One is a duplicated, other one is a unique only. Now here I want to remove the duplicated records only. I want to remove the duplicated records. Then how to remove the duplicated records in SAS? That is the interview question here. How to remove the duplicated records? That purpose will be used the proc sort procedure. So what are the options are available? These options are very important. First one is our option name is called no do. No dupe is a one option here. First option is a no dupe here. Here I am commenting this part. No dupe is a one option. What is the purpose of no dupe option? Okay, no dupe is otherwise also called as, this is otherwise also called as dupe rex. Dupe rex stands for duplicator records only. RECS nothing but records. Now here I want to remove the duplicator records from my AP dataset only. AP underscore sort. You can see AP underscore sort 101 is a duplicator record. 102 also duplicator record. What is mean by duplicator record? When my first record entire column values repeated again, then that is a duplicator record. Here 101 22 22,000 M is there. Here 101 22 22,000 and instead of the M F is there. Then that is not duplicator record because X values are varying. Okay, when all column values are again repeated, then that is a duplicator record. Now I want to remove the duplicator records, then how can we do that? So that purpose we have to use, our first option is called no dupe only. No dupe is a one option. What is the purpose of no dupe? By using no dupe option, we can remove or eliminate your wish only. We can eliminate the all duplicated records from my data set only. Duplicate records, that's only. If anybody wants to remove the duplicated records, then please use no dupe or dupe rex only. Now here I am using no dupe option. Totally 7 records are there. If I am submitting ProgSat again, then finally how many records we can display it in my output window? Anybody? If I submitted? Yeah, AP underscore sort. How many records? 5. So what are the, how many records we can eliminate here? We can delete and we can remove by using this no dupe option. Totally. Oh, what are those? One is which IDs we can remove it here? 101 and 100. So go for this one. Concentrate on log also here. There were totally 7 observations read from my AP dataset. 2 duplicate observations were deleted. Then finally AP underscore sort has 5 observations and 4 variables. Now finally we can see the 5 unique observations and 4 variables only. We can see it in my output window by using no dupe option. When we use the no dupe option, extra you can see the 2 duplicate observations were deleted only. Okay. So now I have deleted 2 duplicated observations, but in the real-time scenario, we have to save these duplicated observations into separate dataset only. Here AP underscore sort, it shows sorted information. After sorting, you can see that sorted information under AP underscore sort dataset. But when we go for do, next option is a dupe out here. Out, dupe out, both are different here. Dupe out and out, both are different. Out is stands for we can store the unique records in my out data set only. But when we use the dupe out, we can maintain we can store or we can save. We can store the duplicated observations into this data set only. By this is a dupe out here. Dupe out means whatever we are removing, I want to store those duplicated observations into separate data set. That purpose will be used dupe out only. So here I am going to use here dupe out is a separate option is equal to class underscore dupe. When I submitting, now here 2 times proc print is required. One is for class underscore sort, other one is for class underscore dupe. Anybody please let me know here class underscore sort, how many records we can display it. Class underscore dupe, how many records we can display it here.
10.
Wait here. This one, right? This one. Wait, now dupe out. Dupe out is equal to AP underscore dupe. Then here I am copying and I have pasted AP underscore dupe. In this scenario, how many here? First one and second one. First one is a totally
5 records.
5. Second one
2 records.
2 records only. First one is a 5 records. Second one is a 2 records. Because we have deleted 2 records and we have saved those 2 records into separate data set. That purpose will be used. The which one? Yeah.
2.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, this one only. Now. Okay, and now was sorry. Okay, due to some issues, I am stopping. Try to